thought we were gonna fish the jetty tonight, but I don't know. It's pretty windy out. There's a pretty good wind blowing across the bay here, clear down the beach. It's pretty gnarly out there. So I think I'm gonna go try some bass fishing on a little reservoir, kind of that I know about. I'm not gonna say the name of it just because I don't know how popular it is, but anyway, yeah, it's pretty crazy out there right now. There we go. Maybe a pound, maybe a little more. It's actually a decent little fish.
That was fast.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's a pound and a half probably. Lost my Cinco. Look at that, right in the back. It's not too bad. Bass.
Oh, big boy.
Yeah, it's an okay sized one.
Oh, it looks a lot bigger from the...
Yeah, he's maybe a pound and a half at the most.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you, man.
Yeah, man, take care. There we go. Cool. A little topwater Cinco action here. Oh, I just yarded him right out. Oh, back in the water he goes. That was too funny. That's a nice fish there. Yeah. Not having it. There we go. Check out that bad boy. Oh, damn it. I don't know. It's probably right on 2.5, 3 pounds. Pretty nice fish. He's 14, 15 inches. Tad skinny.